2, 3. Good evening, everyone. My name is Jeff Jones. I am with theboxman.com, where we've changed the way that you should watch TV. And in this video, we're going to take a look how to navigate on the new Formuler device homepage so you can have success. If this is your first time, second time, or maybe you're a return person or return visitor, thank you for being on our YouTube channel. We are the Stream Machines YouTube channel, where we take the difficult things of streaming and help you one video at a time. One of the best things that we have noticed about the Formuler Z11, Formuler Z11 Pro Max, and even the Formuler Z Mini is they have taken the launcher page and made it so intuitive and easy to use. It's even that has allowed even the godfather of streaming, which I call, that's Troy Point. He says it's the #1 device on the market today. It's the Formuler. Now, if you didn't know that it's not the highest selling device in Formuler history is not the Z11 Pro Max, it's the Z10. A very basic box, but it's priced correctly and it runs. Today, what we're going to do is just take a look at the home page and some other things on this device since they've updated the launcher screen. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. One of the things you're going to notice about the new launcher screen is it's very clean. There's nothing below these two, whether it be edit row or history and favorites. If you want to find all your apps, they placed an app section right here, giving you the ability to delete an app, remove it off the favorites. You could do whatever you want. So if I hold that down, I can open it, I can move it, I can uninstall, or I can get info, and it'll give me the info that I'm looking for. All right. I like this because I can move whatever app that I want. So if I hit move, I can move it up and down, left and right, all over the place. So it really helps out a lot. All right. Another thing that we like about the home page is not just its sleek design, but it allows you to add different rows to customize it. So if I were to go over to here and add a row, I can make that row right there. So if I added it, let's say, give me a second, let me get this back here. And now I'm going to rename this row. And let's see. Gumby. Gumby rocks. There's Gumby. Okay, so I'm going to hit the check mark. And now the row is named Gumby. Now, if I hit the plus button here, plus right here, I can add whatever I want on the Gumby row. So let's do Zeus TV browser. Let's VLC. Adlock. Kodi. Downloader. And one more. Internet speed test. All right, so those are all that I want on my home page. I don't really need to load up the home page. Keep it very minimal or minimalistic because everything is here under the apps. So I don't need to load it up. All right. The next thing I like about this is it'll give you the chance to not only edit the row, like you could do that, right? I can move it, I can rename it, I can delete it. Or it gives you a chance to look at your history and favorites. Let's go and highlight this and press OK. As I look at my history, let's say I'm interested in my favorites in VOD and my favorites in TV series. I just turn those on, and if I have that on my device, now you'll see it there. So I'll go here. Let's say I want to turn those off. And let's say I'll just turn on the history of live TV. Now, everything that I have been watching under my live TV, you can see it's really under history all the way through, all the way across. You see that? So it works out really, really well. And again, if I want to turn it off, I can just turn it off like that. And that is a very, very powerful thing, giving you a chance to add whatever you'd like, keep it as your favorites, whether it be live TV or whatever you have on your device. As we roll through the homepage, since it's minimalistic, I want to go over to the settings here. And if I go down to launcher settings, I don't know if you've ever seen this. One of the smartest things about the Formuler devices, you can have a startup app, which means if I start the device, it should start on whatever application I choose, and it'll then open that application, giving you a chance to either do what you like to do with that application. So I have it on none because I prefer that. All right. Wallpapers. I don't know if you guys have ever seen this. There are plenty of wallpapers in the gallery, which I absolutely like. That's really cool. All right. Another thing I want to point out is if I go here and I want to go down to apps, this is really powerful. Now, there's some different things on these devices where you can allow unknown sources. When you allow that on your device, it gives you the ability to sideload different applications. Now, if I go down here to app permissions, you're going to see the different app permissions. But if I go down to security and restrictions, you're going to see where I can uninstall unknown apps. I can turn things off so they don't work. Everything is turned on, giving me the ability to take a look at what I'd like to do. All right. If I go to special app access, we can go over that. Even the picture in picture. All right. So now we have the launcher settings. We have the settings itself. So if I go to device preferences, you're going to see the keyboard, HDMI CEC, the storage, the screensaver, developer options, all the way down. All right. This home page has been a breath of fresh air. It is super easy to use, super powerful, and gives you the ability to actually add what you like and take away what you don't. So I'm going to go ahead and close out the video. I hope you guys had a great look at this device. If you're interested, I want to thank you for all the new customers that have come aboard and everyone that's been patient with my designer updating our website. I'm very, very excited about the changes that have been made on the website with the languaging and the technical support and even the devices that we offer. Really, really awesome. And I'm looking forward to that being up this weekend. With that said, thank you so much for tuning into this video. Thank you so much for sharing this video, and we'll see.